guys, this is ArtSea, and today I'm going to be doing the beginner trick tutorial for the trick called the Icepick Parabolic. This is a cool trick because you can do it many different ways and it can still be called the Icepick Parabolic. You can do it behind the back, you can do it in front of you, and it just gives like some spice to that combo that you're trying to like learn, you know? Okay, I'll show you fast and then I'll show you slow, so here is fast. Okay, so I'm going to start off by saying this trick, there's like no right way to do it. I'm going to teach you the one that I land the most, like the most consistently. It's where I start off in this position, and then I land in this position or this position. Mainly this one, with the blade facing out. But if you land it anyway, you could do it behind your back, again, like I said, or in front of you. It doesn't matter. It just takes practice, and you know it will land. So as long as you know it will land, that's how you know that the trick's going to work. Okay. So you're going to start off by holding the knife like this. And it's going to be facing that direction. I prefer that because this way, like the knife's facing your hand. I'm not sure if that's always the best way. And plus, most tricks hold the safe handle, so I would hold the safe handle in this also. Or you're mainly holding the safe handle. You're kind of holding both. Okay, what you're going to do, you're going to throw it out like that. So you're not going to just throw it up. Okay, throwing it up will make it go straight back down in whatever, the same position or whatever. It's not going to actually twist in the air like you want it to do. So you're going to want to throw it so it's going like this. Do you see how the handle... So the handle's going like that. It's possible to do it this way also, but for me, I found it harder to do it this way because it's coming this way towards your hand and then you have to catch it weird. So what I do is I throw it out like that at a reasonable height and then catch it. So you see how like the knife went up to here? Like it didn't go that high. It went in between this radius. That's the biggest mistake people are making. So I don't want you to throw it up like past the camera like that, because then you don't have any control of it, and it's doing like more than one spin in the air. So it's doing like a twist slash spin. You're going to be throwing it, and I watched the slow-mo for this because this is kind of hard to explain because I can't even see it when I'm doing it. So you're throwing it out, right? I'm throwing it, I'm getting this finger, and I'm pushing this handle. See? I'm like pushing this handle. So it's going out. Okay, so practice like really lightly doing that. Do you see what I'm doing right now? Really lightly pushing this handle out, the safe handle, and catching it. I'm not catching it every time because it's practically impossible unless you practice a bunch. So you're just like pushing this handle out, and then that causes both handles to get out and come back. Also, do you see how I'm holding the knife? Like I'm resting it in my hand. I'm not grabbing it and throwing it. I'm resting it and I'm pushing with this finger. I'm pushing with the index finger. So the handles aren't staying together. You don't want the knife to go like this in the air and then come back down the same way, because that will happen if you keep the handles together. So you're pushing, and another thing I noticed is relax, okay? This trick requires you to get into a rhythm and to relax. When I'm sitting here like, oh my god, I have to throw it, like I throw it too hard, or I just don't get into a good rhythm. So you want to try and just do it very relaxingly, and then you'll get it every time if you do that. Okay, so I'll explain it one more time. You're going to push with this finger, your index finger, and it's going to rotate in the air and come back down and land like this, or like this. Okay, so you go like that. You see how it just landed in that position? Again, it can land like this or like this. It depends how it rotates in the air. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below any questions you have, and I'll make sure to answer them.